In this video, I will show you how to change region on Discord server. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is open up Discord first of all, and once that's done, make sure you're clicked into the server that you want to change region for. After doing this, go ahead and select the channel that you want to change region for. For example, let's take the voice channel in my Tech Tutor server, and what you're going to want to do is right click onto the channel. On this menu that comes up, click onto edit channel, and then what you need to do is come down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option for region override. So at the moment it's set to automatic. However, what you can do is click onto this drop down box and select a region which is more closer to you. So what you would do is click onto the drop down box and select a region which is more closer to yourself. And once you've done that, basically remember to click on save change at the bottom. But by doing this is going to affect the voice and video quality, and if you do select a region which is closer to you, you're going to get a much better experience. So that is how to change the region in a Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.